Hello friends, today we are learning capital letter alphabet draw and color with number and color name. So let's start. Blue color, pink color, white color, sky blue color, orange color, biscuit color, purple color, gray color, light green color, red color, yellow color, brown color. Let's draw. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Red color, A for apple, orange color, B for ball, yellow color, C for cat, Sky blue color. D. D for dog. Blue color. E. E for egg. Light green color. F. F for fish. Purple color. G. G for goat. Peach pink color. H. H for hand. Dark green color. I. I for island. Red color. J. J for joker. Orange color. K. K for kite. Yellow color. L. L for lion. Sky blue color. M. M for mango. Blue color. N. N for nose. Light green color. O. O for onion. Purple color. P. P for panda. Peach pink color. Q. Q for queen. Dark green color. R. R for rabbit. Red color. S. S for sun. Orange color. T. T for tiger. Yellow color. U. U for umbrella. Sky blue color. P. V for van. Blue color. W. W for water. Light green color. X. X for X-ray. Purple color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Peach pink color. Z. Z for zebra. Red color. 1. Orange color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Sky blue color. 4. Blue color. 5. Light green color. 6. Purple color. 7. peach pink color. 8. Dark green color. 9. Black color. 0. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Bye bye.